Welcome back to the Crypto Report. I'm Blacksea, and I have another video for you guys. Today, I want to talk about Crypto.com Crocoin, take a look at Bitcoin, and see where we are headed. So without further ado, let's hop into this video. So guys, right now, Bitcoin is trading just beneath $43,000 at $42,667.58, down about a 0.5% on the day. Bitcoin dominance is relatively where it was yesterday at 49.78%. When you exclude stablecoins, it's about 51.78%. But all in all, it's the weekend. The weekend price action is kind of slowing down here, but some of the altcoins still holding up relatively well. You've got Binance over $300. Solana has been playing around, testing to get back above that $100 price level, which I must say is very strong. Very, very strong, considering the dump we had from about 49,000 to where we're at now. Solana is holding up very, very well. XRP doing really well. But guys, what I want you to take away from this is that it's surprising that the altcoins are being held up this well. It's very surprising after Bitcoin has made this move to the downside. And I do have to say, in my opinion, if Ethereum stays above about $2,500 and if it makes another move to about $2,800, which in my eyes, I think that that's an appropriate level to be looking for, then you're probably going to see some of these altcoins make some big moves while Bitcoin just kind of hangs out and consolidates around the $40,000 to $45,000 price level. And if you do see Ethereum make that move to 2,800, you see these altcoins move, and that's very healthy. That will show us that we're in a cyclical market where the money flows into Bitcoin, it moves up, and then it flows into Ethereum, the big cap coins and the smaller ones, and then it cycles back again. But then, cyclical market, the money flows into Ethereum, and we see these big moves in these altcoins. That's what we want to see. That is a very good sign that we're in a bull market. But let's take a look over at Crocoin, because I know, guys, what's going on with Crow? What's going on with Crow? Everyone's asking me. Blacksea, what's going on with Crow? Well, I know it seems like Crocoin's a stable coin at this point, but look at these channels that it's been trading between. In between this 0.083 cent level and this basically 10-cent price level. I mean, hitting this 0.83 cents level almost 4 times, it's pretty incredible. We are so pinned between this, and we were trying to break out above this 10-cent price level. It was always so short-lived, and we just came back down, and it was a fake out. Guys, this is my opinion on Crocoin, okay? Crypto.com Crocoin, I have a large position in. I've been holding it for years. I've been in it for a long time. Crypto.com's marketing is on the same level that, I know this is a bad comparison. It's like saying Voldemort from Harry Potter, but it's like their marketing is comparable to FTX. And FTX was taking over the globe fast. Fast. Yes, sure, they had their hands in some pots that were helping them do that, or I should say in some pockets, but Crypto.com has the Staples Center, the Crypto.com Arena. They are a huge sponsor of UFC, a huge sponsor of F1 racing. Their whole goal is to onboard the new users, people that don't trade crypto, that are basically the crypto, quote unquote, a word I like to use is the crypto normies. That's what a lot of people call them. People that don't really know anything about blockchain. All they know is that, hey, if I put my money in Dogecoin, maybe Dogecoin will go to $1 and I'll make money. That's the crypto normies. And their approach in garnering that community and onboarding those people into this market is very successful. It's very successful. Now, let's talk about price action when it comes to Crocoin, because let's be honest here, guys. You can like a product all you want, but if you're invested in that product, I'm going to say it. It's so strange because people are afraid to say it because they think it's maybe not classy. I don't know. I think people kind of get pulled away from the main goal here in investing. And the main goal is to make money. It's to make money, guys. Let's not forget that. It's not about the technology. Sure, that could be the reason why you're investing in it. But the main reason is to make money. So, when is Crocoin going to make new all-time highs? When is Crocoin going to break out to the upside? Guys, I've been saying this for a while. I've been in Crocoin for years, and the price action of Crow is not the same as some of these other coins. I see a lot of stablecoin price action where the price action is very, very pinned in channels. This chart doesn't have a old enough data, but I'll tell you what I think is going to happen here. I think that we're going to trade sideways. Maybe some bounces above this 10-cent price level, maybe bringing us up to 20 cents, say, when Bitcoin makes a move to 60,000, when we finally, maybe after the halving, maybe towards the later end of quarter 2, or maybe even halfway through quarter 3, towards the end of 2024, until Bitcoin makes a larger move to the upside, and I'm talking maybe breaking previous all-time highs, maybe not until $80,000 Bitcoin, and we start to spill over sideways. I don't think Crocoin's going to make moves past $1 until we see that, until we see significant price action. Crocoin likes to lag behind, and it likes to do a 300, 500, 800% gain in the matter of a couple weeks. That's how I've seen it play out. It's very swift. It does nothing for a while, then in a snap of a finger, it basically 10x's. And that's what I'm prepared for. That's why I have a Crocoin position, but I'm not a Crocoin maximalist. I have positions in other cryptocurrencies as well to prevent that from happening. Because let's say there's a black swan event and we get close to the end of the crypto bull market and there's a black swan event and it cuts the gains short on Crocoin. Do I think that will happen? Probably not, but that would be a black swan event. I want to be protected in that, and you should want to be protected in that too. It's never a good idea, in my opinion, to put all your eggs in one basket, especially when it comes to investing, especially when it comes to making money in investing. You need to be diversified, not over-diversified, but you need to have your hands in a couple different baskets. Maybe some Crocoin, some Ethereum, some Bitcoin, some Solana, some Cardano. I know there's some of you guys like Cardano. Maybe some XRP, some of these bigger plays, just in case. Because there are situations, guys, where you invest money into a currency, in a cryptocurrency, before, let's say you invest in 2021, back when Bitcoin was breaking all-time highs. Around, let's say in April 21, before we spilled over for the summer, where you bought some coins and they did really, really well. And they came down, you say, oh, well, it's okay. I'm still just going to hold on to them. They'll get back to that next bull market. Guys, there are chances where that doesn't happen. I bought, back in 2016 and 2017, I bought a currency called NEO. It was labeled as the Chinese Ethereum. And I bought it, and it did very, very well. It did very, very well in 2017. And it came down. I was all in on NEO, and it went from like $3 to 200 something. Bear in mind, this was my first cycle. There's lessons to be learned, guys. And I wrote it all the way down. To 20 bucks. And I said, you know what? I probably should diversify next time around. Next time there's another cycle. So I did. And in 2021, you know what the price of NEO was? When Bitcoin was breaking previous all-time highs, when it was trading around $64,000, NEO was only $25, guys. It didn't gain the momentum that it did in the previous cycle. And that's why you can't be a single coin maximalist, because there's situations where that can happen. It's very risky. Now, I'm not saying that I think that that's going to happen with Crocoin, but I am saying that the way that Crocoin moves is it's very swift and it moves up to the upside very fast. Maybe towards the end of the cycle, which may mean we may not see $1 Crocoin until 2025, depending on how late the Bitcoin cycle goes, this hype cycle. That's just my 2 cents, guys. Be patient with Crow. Don't be all in on any coin at all. Don't be a maximalist. It's a dangerous game to play. It's silly. But that's all I got. If you like this type of content, please like this video. Subscribe to the channel right now. Be patient. Don't be a maximalist on any coin. It's a very volatile asset in cryptocurrency. Also, please consider following me on Twitter at 333Blacksea. I'm very, very active over there. We also have some awesome referral links down below this video. We have a $4,100 sign-up bonus to Femex, $8,000 sign-up bonus to BitGet. All you got to do is click the link, sign up, deposit, trade a little bit. You can make some free money. But please subscribe, guys. We're so close to 14,000 subscribers. I really appreciate all the love you guys have been giving us. We're growing fast. It's a lot of fun talking with you guys. That's all I got. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.